My heart's a rocket, ready to ignite. Every beat explodes in the dead of night. Your touch is a spark, sets my soul ablaze. I'm lost in the rush, caught in your maze. Feel the heat in my veins, the burn I crave.
So I just created that music and video using an AI tool called Freebeat AI, which I'll be showing you how to do same. So guys, if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe and like this video. So Freebeat AI is an AI that is a music AI tool that you can use to create music videos, dance videos, lyric videos. And the good thing is that this AI actually has other useful functions, like you can see at the left hand side here. It has image editing, it has music to dance video, music to lyrics video, music to music video. It also has image generator, it has video generator integrated into it as well. So I will show you a full tutorial on how this goes. So make sure to subscribe and tune into the channel. Subscribe, turn on post notifications, like this video, and let's go ahead. So down here you can see other functions like AI video generator, AI video effect, reimagine videos, ASMR video soundtrack, video extend, modify videos, and you can actually check out other functions that this site also has. So now what we want to focus on today is generating of music and generating of music video. So if you go over to the part that said press the supported music URL, you are going to see several options like Spotify, SoundCloud, YouTube, Suno, Udio, TikTok, Rainforest. You're going to see all of these. So what this simply means is that you can copy link of any song you've generated or posted on any of these sites and drop it on this section, in this paste section, and it's going to generate a video based on that. So once you post your video link, I am going to use the Suno AI music I generated, and I'm going to paste it. So once you paste, it's going to start decoding your video, your music, and once it does that, it's going to bring you to the create music or video part. So you can either choose to create with the fast or the custom. The fast mode, you just have to type in what you would like to see in the video, and once you type on that, it's going to go ahead to generate video. Now for the custom part, I'm going to show you later on, but let's go over to how you can generate your music with this AI. So all you have to do, you can see different integrations of other sites like Stable Audio, Minimax Music, Suno, and we are going to just select any of the AI we want to use to generate the song. Then we are just going to give it a simple prompt to generate what we want. So I'm just going to say a song filled with emotions and love, but not too slow, not a slow blessed song or progression. So I'm going to give it my prompt, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on create. So this is going to create the song immediately. It's not going to take time, so you just have to wait a little bit. So once this is done, the music will be generated, and then we can listen to the song right here.
My heart's a rocket, ready to ignite. Every beat explodes in the dead of night. Your touch is a spark, sets my soul ablaze. I'm lost in the rush, caught in your maze. Feel the heat in my veins, the burn I crave. No escape, no way to behave. Falling faster like I'm weightless in space, but I don't care, I'm loving the chase.
After our song has been generated, we will try to generate the video for that song, and what we are going to be using is the custom section of the video generation. Now when you come over to the custom section, you're going to be asked to select a model. So you can select from Pixarverse to Runway to Luma. You can see different video options like Kling as well, and you would just have to select any of these video options or models you want to use to generate your video. Now once you select, I'm just going to pick on Runway So once you select your model, you're just going to type in something in the background, what you think the background idea of your song. Do you want it to be in a neon city? Do you want it to be in an advanced city? Do you want it to be locally made? You just type in your idea of what you want in the background. But if you don't want to, if you select a model, you can just go ahead to generate, or you can click on this AI prompts down here. It's going to write or rewrite the prompt you are going to give to it. So rewrite your prompt idea to make it better. So down here, if I click on that, I'm just going to try and type in my prompt. So once I type in my prompt, I'm going to go ahead to just write that for it to rewrite the prompt for me. Or you can ask ChatGPT to give you a prompt for the kind of music you created. Now, once that's done, I just paste it there, and then I'm going to click on generate, and then I'll wait for my music video to come on. So once it's done, you can actually go ahead to play and see how the video turned out. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Now let's see the outcome of our own video.
Feel the heat in my veins, the burn I crave. No escape, no way to behave. Falling faster like I'm weightless in space, but I don't care, I'm loving the chase. We're fire and gasoline, no in between, just the hottest dream. My heart's on fire, can't cool it down. You light me up, I'm spinning around, can't put it out. No water can drown this love, it's burning loud. My heart's on fire, can't cool